how to deposit money in Skrill. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Skrill app right here and then make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click this add button right here. So just click that button. So once you click that, you will be redirected right here. So if you want to change the currency that you want to deposit, all you have to do is to click this, in which once you click that, you will now be able to see all of the currencies that Skrill is supporting. So just click that, and then let's say for example that we want to deposit a US dollar. So just click that, and then after that, click select payment method right here on the bottom, in which once you click that, you will now be able to see all of the options for you to deposit your money into Skrill. So in my case, I can pay using my credit and debit card. So just click that right here. So once you click that, just put your card number, your expiry date, your CVV, and then for the card label, it is optional, so I will just leave it as it is. And then if you want to save the card details, all you have to do is to enable that and then click continue. Now, once you click continue, of course, you will need to put the amount that you want to deposit into your Skrill account, and then of course, continue with it. And then once it is completed, you should now be able to see your money right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to deposit money in Skrill.